I light it up so that's like a microwave. So when it's done, we can put it in the water. Poo!
Good job. Heat up the bread.
On them.
Heat up the bread so it's nice and warm.
And fuffin. Away.
They might do some of those after all the bread. A few pop-offs.
They will pop on the fish when they do this.
That's it. Chuck some more bread in.
It's almost done.
Yeah.
It takes a few weeks time to bread up.
It does.
It takes a long time.
We've been feeding them for about 20 minutes now. They're
Ding, ding, ding.
hungry ducks.
It's alarm. Ding, ding, ding.
Is the bread ready?
Did it.
Out of the microwave? Good job.
It's a lot.
Is it hot?
It's cold. Because this one is not hot. It's only cold.
Okay.
Fucking together.
Hey, big boy.
Do some.
Oh, thanks. That's yum.
Look at my little baby.
Oh, gone for a swim.
Now we're going to think. Oh, look at my little baby. Oh, that's really little baby. That's really little baby. Oh, that's little baby. Oh, that's a big baby.
What should we name the ducks?
Fucking.
Should we name that one Boris?
Bob the Peacock.
Boris? How about
Norris.
Norris?
And Ferris. And more Ferris.
Ferris? What should we call the little ones?
Morris Comforus.
Morris Comporras?
Yes.
Wow, that's a long name.
Get a fucking thing.
Wow.
Morris Comforus.
All the birds are coming in as well. The lorikeets, the rosellas. Are they little swallows over there? Or willy wagtails on the two poles?
Really loud tails. Yeah, really old tails. I have to cook this.
Okay. Let's throw it in.
I wouldn't, because it will take a long time.
Oh, let's check it in, big boy.
Hey. I was cooking that.
Come on, big boy, let's hit it.